Welcome! If you're looking to find out how to view highlight activity on Instagram, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you can see who's interacting with your Instagram highlights. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, you'll see your bio, your posts, and right below your bio, your Instagram highlights. These are the circles that showcase your favorite stories saved for your followers to view anytime. Go ahead and tap on the highlight you want to check. Once you've opened the highlight, you'll see the stories you've saved there. To view the activity, look for the Activity option, usually found at the bottom of the screen or in the menu that pops up when you swipe up on the highlight. Tap on Activity. Here, you'll be able to see a list of people who have viewed your highlight, along with any reactions or replies you've received. This section gives you a clear overview of who's engaging with your content and how they're interacting with your stories. If you're managing a brand or just curious about your audience, this is a great way to keep track of your reach and engagement. Remember, highlight activity is only visible for as long as the story itself would be. So if it's been more than 48 hours since you posted a story to your highlight, you might not see the viewer list anymore. Keep this in mind if you're checking in after a few days. And that's it. You've just learned how to view highlight activity on Instagram with the latest steps. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks to make the most of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.